Graham,
say cheese.
I should have gotten it.
Say cheese.
Graham, look at Daddy. Say cheese. Graham, look at Daddy.
Graham. Say hi, Grandma.
Mama.
No, look.
Graham.
Who's on there?
Mama.
Ernie.
No, Zoe.
No,
Oh,
we
no,
wanted
oh, I'm
those
sorry.
this.
Baba.
Big word.
Open it.
Baba.
Graham, say cheese. Graham, say cheese.
Uncle.
Oscar? That is Oscar on the corner, huh?
Hey.
Just let him sit there.
Graham, who's that? Graham, who's this? Hey.
Rip one open. Okay, Graham, look. Look, you ready? Put your finger right here. You tear it. Open it up.
Yay, Graham.
Open. Tear the paper. Here, look. Use both hands, buddy.
No.
Okay, wait, open. Look. Open, look.
Open. Mimi.
Open, take it out.
Mimi.
Yeah, take it out.
What is that?
Mimi.
What is it? A window
Mimi.
It's window clean.
Where's that from?
Because grandma's from stuff in the Elmo papers.
Mimi.
Yeah, let's open another one, okay?
That's from Grandma Jan?
Mm-hmm.
Grandpa Jim?
That's from grandma.
Mimi.
Yeah, look.
Graham, smell, say cheese.
Look at daddy.
Look at Daddy.
Graham, look at daddy.
Graham.
Mimi.
Look at daddy. Say thank you.
You might have to.
Graham, say thank you.
Huh?
E.
Put some more.
Alright, let's do another one.
Open the other one. Pull it. Pull the paper.
Mimi.
Who is it?
Here, pull the paper.
No.
No, okay.
Bo.
Wait, not yet. We have to open our presents first, okay? Look, right here, bud.
What's that?
Balloon. Here, look. Graham, mommy's gonna help you, okay? Oh, tear the paper.
This proves the theory.
Graham. Tear the paper, buddy. Look.
What big part of this a balloon is all a kid needs.
Graham, look.
Look at
Who's
Zoe.
on here? Zoe, open the paper.
Waiting.
You want me to help you? There you go. Okay, now you tear it. Tear the paper.
Tear it.
Just usually seen those count.
Tear
I
it.
didn't have enough.
Yeah, keep on tearing.
Good job. Okay, look this way.
It's like 12 inches in this book.
Yay! Say Mickey Mouse.
Who is that?
The Mickey? Mickey?
Say thank you, Grandma.
Here. Tear the paper. We might have to hide that. Hey, bud, look. Look at mommy. Graham.
Boom, boom, boom.
Look at Mommy has a present.
Graham. Look who I see. Open this present. Tear the paper. It's okay.
Got it.
Mm-hmm.
Who is it?
Mimi. Oh.
Ooh.
Look, Graham.
1, 2, 3.
Look at me, look at me.
Look at me. Look at me.
Look at me.
Graham.
Look at me.
Graham. You want to, here, I think they're just getting to open a present.
Okay.
It's okay.